Hi guys, it's me, Teddy. I got some nail plates I want to show you. I got them from Maniology, and this is their rubble plates that I got. My rubble plates, Maniology. I dirtied the back already. Oops. Maniology. The first plate that I got from the starter kit. Here's another plate that I got from Rebel Y'all. Maniology plate. Show you the other one again. Maniology, back of it. Here's their polish. I love their polishes. That one. They stamp really good. Yummy Gummy stamping polish from Maniology. I love that one. I love this one too. Maniology polish, stamping polish, and it's Mirror. I love this one. They're pretty good stamping polishes. There's the plates again. You haven't seen them the first time. They're from Maniology. I love their plates. And I have a discount code if you guys want to use it. It doesn't expire and it gives you 10% off your purchase. Here's the polishes again. There you go, Yummy Gummy, Maniology, a Mirror. Here it is. I'll leave my discount code down on the bottom and it gives you 10% off on your order. I hope you like this video.